Hey guys, I built some stainless steel Zoomies for Falconstein. Come check them out. So I got the 34 shelter aside. I got Falconstein in the shop. I'm building some Zoomie headers for it. I got the flanges with a couple bolts. I got some little 1.5 inch stub outs coming out of the flange, tacked in. I got me some pipe cut. Had to put a little bend on the end of each one. So I got two 180s. I'm cutting little bends out of one of them. These little bends right here. And nannies. They'll come out, curve up like the big block Zoomie header work. Yeah. Moving right along. That's 2¼ inch stainless pipe, in case you're wondering what size it is. The big block Chevy I had 2 inch. Michael wanted 2¼ so we're gonna make it happen. Welcome back to the School of Ratrodology and a little shop where dreams come true. My name is Ratrod Bob and I build stuff. So what's happening here, I got one of my blocks there, I got a hammer on it to kind of jack it up on an angle, kind of the same as the motor. And I stick a 90 on one of the straight pipes and it's gonna weld in right there. All 4 of them. Yeah. I'm just kind of tacking it together right now to make sure everything's gonna work. When I put that last one back there, I gotta make sure the door still opens. So yeah, we're gonna be fine. So that's what I got going on right here, just in case you're wondering. I'm gonna tack this in and we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, we're getting it. We just ain't got it yet. I got one side tacked together. So now tack the other side together. Stand back, look at it. If it looks good, I'll weld them up. Yes, sir. I'm building hot rod Zoomies, rat rod style. How about that? I mean, I'm not finished yet, but they're gonna look something like that. It's gonna be great. Yep. Magneto offset. Probably gonna go to something like right there. I'm gonna set it up there. Let's see what it looks like. Blower too, the whole 9 yards. Put the front cap on. I had to cut the hole out bigger to clear the blower belt and magneto offset. Don't have the right exact color, so I'm going to try to blend that in and make it look the same. Wish me luck. There we go. Give you a rough idea of what it's gonna look like. Right there. The blower is gonna be 1 inch higher, but other than that, everything's gonna be pretty much the same. Got the header pipes almost done. The Zoomies, not quite, almost. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Man, is this thing cool or what? All right, guys, the Zoomies are done. 100% done. Got them all welded up, braced up. I got a 1/2 by 3/16 brace welder on the bottom across there. I got a piece of 1/2 inch stainless round rod kicker going to the frame because these things are pretty heavy. So both sides got that done. They solid stainless flanges, pipe, MIG wire. Use stainless MIG wire with argon shielded gas. So they 100% stainless, everything. All the bracing, welding, pipe, flanges, the whole 9 yard. So they ain't perfect, but hey, who cares as a rat rod? The good thing about them is they made out of solid stainless, so they'll last. We've been enjoying this beauty for a long time. They might not be perfect, but we'll enjoy them for a long time to come. They probably outlast the rest of the car, actually. So there's that. And they 2 1/4 pipe, so they already have a deep tone. Already have a really good sound. We're gonna find out one day, near future, hopefully. Michael's working on getting the engine built, but it might be a while. But we're getting it. We're getting it. Just ain't got it yet. So Falconstein now has Zoomie headers. Imagine that. There's a look head on. Just in case you're wondering what it looks like from this end. Yep. Got her done. Yep. And the door's open all the way without hitting. I mean, it's close. I got them leaned back as far as I can. We've got about a 1/4 inch there, but yeah, it's fine. I got stitches going on. Got to have stitches as a rat rod, so. I got the sidewinder shifter. It's a gate shifter. Installed, adjusted, shifting like it's supposed to. So there's that. You gotta have a shifter. You gotta be able to yank some gear. Well, you won't be yanking them. It's not a 4-speed, but yeah. Should be able to slam them though with a gate shifter. Yeah, I still don't have a drive shaft yet. I got the dipstick tube. I hadn't put it in yet. Yeah, need a torque converter, engine, torque converter, radiator. Still need a lot of stuff. Michael's working on getting all that. But it's a slow process, but we're getting it. We're gonna get it. This ought to be a wicked ride right here. We got some, we're gonna put, it's got like 11-inch 15s. On the rear, we're gonna put 14s, 11-inch, 14 by 15, 14 is wide. So we're gonna put some bigger tire. Those are like 20, I think those are 28-inch tall, or 29. We're gonna put some like 31s, 14 31s on it. So we're gonna beef it up there a little bit. I mean, this thing didn't get no traction even with the big block Chevy without a blower, so we gotta have more traction. Yeah, I don't have the hood all the way down. I'm missing a hood pin. But yeah, those headers are gonna be great. I like my intake manifold. Pine, 2x4s, 4x4s. Might leak a little bit, but it'll be all right. Yep. Yeah, I still got some adjustment to do. Some of it. But the headers are done. The Zoomies, stainless steel Zoomies, 2 1/4 are done. So we want to thank Stainless Headers Manufacturing Incorporated for providing these high quality stainless steel pipe bends and all that for these headers. There's their information right there. Man, I tell you what, that's some good pipe too. I mean, they flared the ends a couple of the 90s. So all those 90s got a flared end where it slides over the other pipe. I don't see none of that in the picture here, but anyway, you talk about a perfect fit. I mean, I've seen flares where they fit loose on the other pipe or too tight or whatever, but these are a perfect fit. All these pipe pieces are perfect. So yeah, Stainless Headers Manufacturing. Here's the email, website. Yeah, I've been keeping Michael busy rounding up parts for this project. He's got a lot going on. I mean, he's got the 4 monster trucks. He hauls all over the United States and Canada. So he's always working on trucks, building trucks, or on the road, running trucks, whatever. Matter of fact, I got a lot of viewers in Canada, fans. So if you're in Canada, you like monster trucks, keep your eyes open because Michael's loading up in the next few days. He's heading for Canada. He's gonna be up there for 5 weeks or longer. So he's gonna be touring Canada with monster trucks. So check him out. You might get lucky. You might get to see him up there. So there's that. I kind of like shotgun scoop better. What you guys think? Blower hat or shotgun scoop? Yeah, I don't know. They both look good. I like them eyeballs though. That sets it off right there. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Blower hat or shotgun scoop? I told Michael he could buy a shotgun scoop and get an old blower hat and get somebody to manufacture him up a hat with a shotgun scoop on it. But he said that'd be an act of Congress to get that done, but who knows. I like it though. It's all good. Both of them looks great. So now I'm gonna take a break on this thing. I'm gonna shove it outside, cover it up, put it on the roof, and get to 34 over here, get back on it. Falconstein is gonna be an intermission for a little while. All right, we're getting it. We just ain't got it yet. Appreciate you. See you next time.